Hi, I'm Linda Mendoza from Fantasies Hair Salon, and today I'm going to share with you some tips and techniques on how to use liquid gel hair color. Liquid gel hair color lifts up to 5 levels, and that will depend on your developer's number. Now, once you've decided on how much you want to lift, you want to assure yourself that you protect your hair baseline with a protectant and that you apply gloves so that you do not penetrate any chemical on your skin. So now that our gloves are on and that we have distributed the protectant cream throughout the hairline, we're going to take a look at the box. Now on the box it says 1 to 2 measurements, and what that means is 1 of color, 2 of developer. Taking a look at the tube, we see on the sides where it tells us our measurements and ½ ounce, 1 ounce, ½ an ounce, and fully to 2 ounce. I'm going to put ½ an ounce of color into my bowl, squeezing from the top. And now I'm going to apply my developer. The best way to measure your developer is on the side of your bowls. You have little numbers, and it starts from 2, 4, and going up to 6. Now you want to put in double the amount of developer, so I put in ½ of color, and I will put 1 ounce of developer. Now you want to mix your color together and apply your color on the hair strands. Now, depending on how light you're going, the color application varies, and whether you go lighter or darker, the application will depend on that. And another thing that I do suggest is that you use a shower cap so that when the color is fully applied, you have the color in one neat place. I'm Linda Mendoza, and I just shared with you some tips and techniques on how to use liquid gel hair color.